Today we're building the BP-48. So let's open it! Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Whoa, there's some more stuff. We got this. Okay, I got it. First piece, we need this one. So we have to put this in, okay? We got it. We put this to this side. Whoa, this looks like a robot. I got it. Bullets are going in here. Okay, now we're done. And now I'm ready to build a battle. Wow, so cool. Ooh, I broke him all at once? Ooh, I hope you enjoy me building BP-48 and also subscribe, like, and ring the bell. Don't forget to watch Campbell's Snapchat videos. See you in the next video. Bye.
Snapchat, build to battle.